Today I'll be showing you how you can draw a letter D using processing. This is called coding or programming. So how you can code a letter D using processing. Processing is a kind of is a Java environment where you do your coding. So we'll be doing this coding of D using a software called processing. Okay, so we're just gonna start now. So we need to draw our ellipse. So bracket open. So I'm gonna look at, so let's make this 20, 40, 10, and 10. So remember your semicolon. This is Java. So I'm just gonna show you what I did. So the first line is for you. I'm just gonna show you in a minute. So I like to leave comment on my code. So even if I'm not there to explain what I did, so the code will always, the comments will always make it easier for to be reader friendly, so you can always read it and understand what that is, even without me not being there. I like to give space, so I'm just gonna give space there, comma. So my Y is 40. So I'm just gonna close the bracket. So my width and height, my width is 10, Y my height will be 10 as well. So I've just explained what I did there. Just gonna give some space here. So if you look at the first number, that is my X, and my Y is 40. My Y is 40, and my width is 10, and the height is also 10. So I'm just gonna go to the next line of code. So we're gonna have another ellipse. Bracket open. What I do is, when I open the bracket, I try to close it, then pull my semicolon so I don't forget it. If not, Java is going to bring up some error messages, which I do not want. So I'm just gonna say 40. Then the next one will be 5, and the next one will be 5. Yeah, I think it's fine here. I'm just gonna leave some space here because they are two different things. So 5, yeah. So this line here is to make a smaller circle as I'm making a D. So smaller circle on top. Okay. Then my center is going to be, center is X, is 20, which is our first number. The second one is our Y, which is 40, the second number. We'll close the bracket, semicolon, remember? Oh, it doesn't matter because it's just a comment. I'm used to semicolon, so when I'm trying to draw my width is 5, and my height is also 5. 5. So end of comment. I'll go to my next line of code. So I've done the ellipse. So the next one is to draw the line. So I have line, bracket open and close, semicolon. So I have my first number, which is 25. The next one should be 45. Yeah, let's make it 45. The next one, let's make it 25. and we'll do the next 120. So this line now is gonna be the vertical line. Remember the shape of D, so it's a vertical line. So it's gonna be leveled with the bottom of circle. Okay, level with bottom of circle. Bottom of circle. So we have 3 lines of code. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's see what this gives. I need to move this out of the way. Let me see what this has for us. We're just gonna run it. Oh yeah, so you see, I'm just gonna make it bigger. So we'll see, you have that shape of D. So this is drawing letter D. I'm just gonna put this up there. So drawing letter D. D using processing. So this is drawing the letter D using processing. So yeah. And if you're wondering why I put this this slash, so when you're coding or programming, when you see this slash, that means it's just a comment. So the computer or whatever software you're using to run your code is gonna ignore everything after the hash. So it means to ignore. So just for your own, just for your own reference, or whoever that's reading it is for their own reference. So it's just for them to know, just like I have done now in my first line. I just said drawing big circle first, meaning the things I need to draw the first circle. So I need my S, I need my Y, and I need the width and the height of the D. So that's why I put the first comment, and the second comment is my second ellipse. So this is make the circle smaller on top. So you see it's smaller on top, then center it will be 20, and the width and height will be 5 each. So that's why I did that. So guys, this is how to draw a letter D using a processing. Processing is Java kind of environment. So it's Java. So Java is quite interesting language to learn. So guys, I hope you enjoy this. I'll see you guys some other time. Remember to subscribe, like. I'll see you soon. Bye.